Home furnishing retailers using separate systems to manage customer interactions, deliveries, and customer support are losing money and squandering sales opportunities each and every day. Unifying these solutions into a single platform using artificial intelligence and automation will result in happy, engaged, and loyal customers. Hi, I'm here today to talk about using artificial intelligence and automation to help you to streamline your customer engagement and fulfillment processes. Why notify your clients when you can interact with them? Interactive customer conversations using the perfect mix of chatbot and human support ensure each customer has a voice throughout their journey. This not only increases engagement, but leads to great fulfillment experiences that build stronger, more personal relationships, turning customers into brand advocates and repeat buyers. A constantly connected interactive customer experience gives customers peace of mind with access to the real-time status of their delivery. Automation also frees customer service staff to focus on the interactions with customers that count. The result will enable you to seamlessly engage with more customers using fewer resources while delivering vastly superior personalized customer support. Imagine every department across your company knew what each customer bought, when they bought it, and how they felt about the customer experience. Unifying your solutions will give full transparency of every interaction throughout the buyer's journey and across all departments. This will dramatically improve your ability to uncover sales and marketing opportunities that you can automatically act upon and re-engage with customers to drive future sales. Automating your chat and logistics into a seamless single service from the first chat through the last mile to the next sale will save time and reduce costs. Your delivery scheduling time will be slashed. Your customer service costs will be minimized, and you will have higher confirmation rates, fewer failed deliveries, and happier customers. The merging of all customer conversations with sales, marketing, customer service, and delivery in one central location is key to creating a true customer-centric experience. Customers of high-value retail and home services need to feel seen and cared for. Personalized and interactive conversations for each customer and their specific order helps create a VIP delivery experience for your customers and establish an emotional connection. This will help drive positive online reviews that will help attract more new customers. Implementing conversational AI, workflow automation, and last-mile intelligence using one platform will allow you to effectively form meaningful relationships with your customers, redefine loyalty, and drive more sales. Package.AI can help you create one platform for all departments, giving a clear line of sight for all customer interactions.